Hi everyone, Dave here. Just wanted to do a video here. I just recently upgraded, got rid of my AC fridge and freezer, and I replaced it with this unique. It's a DC solar powered refrigerator, and it consumes about 5 times less power to the conventional fridges and freezers out there. And this particular model is 10.3 cubic foot, and I'll have in the video as well. I'll share with you the model number and etc. And like I say, it's got a DC compressor. It's direct current operated, and just very straightforward, red and black cable that comes out. And I've got, as you can see, I've got them spliced into the cable that runs up through, goes around and out into the utilities room, direct to the battery bank. And I've got some alligator clamps on the end of the cable so I can switch it from one battery bank to the other, depending on how much power is in each battery bank. But this unit will cut down my power consumption dramatically, as previously I was consuming a lot more power with the traditional AC fridge and freezer. So, and just to share with you, it's very spacious. It's more than enough for me, and it's got the LED light, which is also a good feature, and it's got the crisper as well. These models, these DC models, it's running right now. You can barely, I don't know if you can hear the compressor running or not, but it's actually running right now. And that's the freezer space there. And I got some ice packs and whatnot in the door, but it's quite significantly more quiet than the older models. And again, the unit will, especially during winter months with shorter days here in the northern hemisphere in Upper Canada, this unit will allow me not to depend on using a generator as a backup after so many days. My battery bank will be able to, with the solar panels, will be able to keep my batteries up above 70%. So just wanted to share this. These models are for anybody that's off-grid like myself. The exact propane unique, same size, is roughly about $400 more expensive than this solar-powered one with the DC motor. So, and the thing that you want to consider, if you've already got solar power incorporated at your place, basically it's free. The energy to run it is free. Whereas with the propane or natural gas model, it's going to consume that power and you're going to have to pay for it. So the investment here with this solar powered refrigerator and freezer is that it's not going to cost me anything, because I've already got the solar power that's set up. So significant savings right there. And like I say, it's the design with these, they're very well insulated on the exterior walls, and they do recommend a minimum of 3 inches clearance on the back side from the wall, and not to have, you don't want to have it encased. You want to leave it as open as possible, because that allows for better cooling efficiencies. The thing about a DC compressor with these models is that they don't work or operate on the same type of system as alternating current. So therefore they do require like to ensure that they're not cased in, you don't have them inside of a double wall. So anyway, just thought I'd share this. It's a great addition to anybody that's off-grid, looking to go off-grid, or want to incorporate something to save on power. As always, take care, and thanks for watching.